Hey everyone, welcome back to Ziny's Diary. Today, I have a simple and natural remedy for you to make your hands feel fresh and clean and remove all your tan skin by using just one ingredient, a lemon. Let's get started. First, take one lemon and cut it in half. Next, squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl. Make sure to get as much juice out as you can. Now, apply the lemon juice to your hands. Rub it all over your hands, and continue rubbing until the juice becomes dry. Once the juice is dry, take a break for 10 to 15 minutes. Let the lemon juice work its magic. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash your hands with normal water. No need for soap. And there you have it. Your hands should feel fresh, clean, and rejuvenated. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you tried this remedy. And don't forget to subscribe to Ziny's Diary for more natural remedies and tips.